Thank you for purchasing the Overhead Door Anywhere Retrofit Kit that allows you to take complete control of your garage door anytime, anywhere. The following video will walk you through the setup and installation process. To verify that the retrofit kit is compatible with your garage door opener, please visit overheaddoor.com/OHD anywhere and click here to view the compatibility list. The retrofit kit will operate with any combination of OHD Series 2 wall controls and most competitor brands as well. If you have an OHD Series 3 wall console, which looks like this, you must order a Series 3 adapter, part number 38013R. Before beginning the setup process, please verify you can receive a strong Wi-Fi signal in your garage. Connect your smartphone to your home Wi-Fi and walk into the garage. When you're in the garage, put your phone where you're going to mount the door control module. The Wi-Fi signal strength at that location must be at least 2 bars. If your home Wi-Fi signal does not adequately cover your garage, you have a few things you can do to improve the signal strength. First, you can make sure that the Wi-Fi router is out in the open, not behind a flat-screen TV or in a cabinet. You can also try moving your Wi-Fi router closer to the garage. If that doesn't work, you can also purchase a Wi-Fi extender, which is available at most electronics stores. Let's get started by downloading the free app, available in the App Store for iOS devices and Google Play for Android. Open your quick setup guide and with the smartphone camera, scan the appropriate QR code for your device or search OHD Anywhere in the App Store or Google Play. Then download the app. Once you download and open the app, you'll be asked to begin the setup process by creating an account. Enter your first and last name. Then choose an email you can access from your smart device and a strong password. Your password should be at least 8 characters and contain at least 1 capital letter. Enter your zip code and press Continue. OHD Anywhere uses your zip code to inform you of updates and smart home integration opportunities in your region and keeps your information totally confidential. Choose a security question from the list on your device that you will remember. Enter the answer to your chosen security question, then press Continue. Please read the terms and conditions and then select Agree. Congratulations! You've created your official OHD Anywhere account. Now let's activate your account by opening your email on your smart device and opening the message from OHD Anywhere. Click the link to activate your account, then return to the app. Log on to your account using your username and password. Now, whenever you open the app, you'll be taken to this home screen. If you're having trouble logging in, you can check out our frequently asked questions or contact the OHD Anywhere customer care team via email or by phone at 888-901-2750, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., or Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. From the My Doors screen, find and tap the blue circle with the plus sign to add a device. Click Door to add your retrofit kit. Click Retrofit Device with Door Position Sensor at the bottom of the screen. Click to give the app permission to use your camera to scan the QR code. Remove the mounting bracket from the back of the door control module. Locate the QR code. Click on Scan Now. Next, move your phone so that the camera is showing the QR code on the screen. Once the QR code is scanned, it sends the serial number and registers it as yours. If the QR code does not scan properly, you can manually enter the serial number. The device serial number is a string of 13 characters and is denotated by the label. It is also located on the back of your device near the QR code. Be sure to enter all uppercase characters, then press Done. If you're having trouble registering your device, you can check out our frequently asked questions or contact the OHD Anywhere customer care team via email or by phone at 888-901-2750, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., or Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to name the door control module, enter a name. Otherwise, press Continue. You have three options to mount the door control module. It can be mounted next to your opener near the ceiling, next to your existing wall console, or in place of your existing wall console. Please note, if you install the module to replace your current wall console, you may lose some of the console's convenience features. Also, before selecting the desired door control module location, be sure there's a standard 110-volt AC outlet within 5 feet of where you want to put it. Plug in the power cord into the back of the control module. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. The LED light in the upper right side of the door control module should be solid red, which means that the door control module is not connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once the door control module is plugged in, press Continue to begin Wi-Fi setup. Some smartphones may require that cellular data is turned off to assure that the phone is using the Wi-Fi connection to configure the door control module. Press and hold the small black Wi-Fi button on the side of the door control module. This diagram accurately portrays the exact location of the Wi-Fi button. Hold it until the module beeps. A few seconds after the beep, the LED light on the upper right side of the door control module should turn yellow. After the light on the door control module turns yellow, press Continue. When the light is yellow, your device is generating its own Wi-Fi network to communicate with your smart device. Your smartphone may ask you if you want to join the GDOCNTL network, which is the network created by the door control module. Press Join to allow your smartphone to connect to the door control module. Next, you'll be asked to choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list of networks. Note that if your Wi-Fi provider offers both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network options, the OHD Anywhere app is only compatible with 2.4 GHz networks, which may show up as 2G on the list. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your home Wi-Fi network password and press Continue. Remember that your Wi-Fi network password is case sensitive. If you don't see your network in the list, you can manually enter your network name and password here. After you've entered your home Wi-Fi information, the app passes that information to the door control module, and the door control module connects to your home Wi-Fi network and then to the cloud. Congratulations! You've connected your door control module to Wi-Fi. Press Continue. If you're having trouble connecting the door control module to your home Wi-Fi network, you can check out our frequently asked questions or contact the OHD Anywhere customer care team via email or by phone at 888-901-2750, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., or Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The door position sensor that comes with the door control module comes ready to be paired with the door control module. All you need to do is power up the door position sensor by removing the tab from the bottom of the door position sensor. The LED light on the door position sensor should blink blue. When the tab on the door position sensor is removed, press Continue. The door control module will pair to the door position sensor. When the door position sensor is paired, a blue light appears on the door button. When the blue light is solid above the door 1 button on the control module, press Continue. The door sensor name will be the name of the door that appears on the My Doors screen. Enter the name of the door and press Continue. If you're having trouble pairing the door position sensor to the door control module, you can go through the process of adding an additional door sensor. Check out our frequently asked questions or contact the OHD Anywhere customer care team via email or by phone at 888-901-2750, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., or Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This kit includes one door position sensor for use with one door only. Additional sensors can be purchased separately. If you have another door sensor to add, press yes. Otherwise, press no. Remove the tab from the bottom of the door position sensor. The LED light on the door position sensor should blink blue. After the tab is removed, select the button on the image in the app that you want to use to control the door. After you press the image, a check mark will appear on the image of the door control module in the app. Once you have the check mark showing in the app, press Continue. Press and hold the same door button on your physical door control module until the module beeps and the button starts flashing blue. When the door button is flashing blue, press Continue. Press and hold the button on the door sensor until a blue light flashes and then turns off. After the light on the door position sensor flashes and turns off, press Continue. The door button on the door control module should change to blue. When the light on the door button is blue, press Continue. The door sensor name will be the name of the door that appears on the My Doors screen. Enter the name of the door and press Continue. If you're having trouble pairing the door position sensor to the door control module, you can check out our frequently asked questions or contact the OHD Anywhere customer care team via email or by phone at 888-901-2750, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., or Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can invite up to 19 other users to access your garage doors through your account. You can provide keys and remove them at any time. You can also set up rules to close the garage door or notify you when something happens. There are two types of rules, a time range rule and a duration rule. A time range rule sets a schedule for your garage door. A duration rule closes your garage door if it's been open for a certain period. Warning: be sure to unplug your garage door opener prior to installing the retrofit kit. This is to prevent the door from operating unexpectedly. This includes unplugging the battery backup if your opener includes this option. The following tools are needed for installation: flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, wire cutter, wire stripper, hammer, and an electric drill with a 3/32 drill bit. When unpacking your retrofit kit, please verify you have the following items: one door control module, one door control module power cord, one door position sensor, spool of wire, wiring staples, and mounting hardware. Also contained in the retrofit kit is the quick setup guide and warning label. Be sure the label is applied as directed in the instructions to help prevent potential injuries. The door control module can be set to operate up to 3 garage doors. Please keep in mind that each door needs its own door position sensor. If you have 2 or 3 doors, then additional sensors can be purchased separately. The door control module will wire directly to the wall control connections in the opener or directly to the wall console. While it's possible to replace the wall button with the door control module provided the Wi-Fi signal is optimal in that location, it's recommended that you keep the original wall button in place, as it may provide additional functionality, such as buzzing to let you know if something has gone wrong with the unit. If your garage door opener includes an advanced feature wall console, it's recommended that you wire the door control module directly to the wall button inputs on the garage door opener so you can retain the wall console's advanced features. If your garage is pre-wired with hidden wires behind the wall, the door control module can be wired directly to the back of the wall controls, except for the Series 3 controls. You may repeat the above wiring instructions for up to 3 different compatible garage door openers. Before mounting the door control module, verify the 5-foot power pack cord is within reach of a power outlet. First, remove the mounting bracket from the back of the door control module. Then mark and drill 2 3/32 pilot holes. If mounting to drywall, insert the anchors provided. Secure the mounting bracket to the wall with the supplied screws. If mounting to the power head ceiling supports that hold up your opener, use the nuts, washers, and screws provided. You'll need a set of wires for each opener you're connecting to. Strip a 1/4 inch of insulation from the end of each wire. Press the orange tab on the back of the door control module and insert the wire. Insert the other end of the wires into the power head or wall console control inputs. Run the power pack cable through the top or bottom slot, whichever you prefer. Route the wall control wires from the door control module to the wall console or opener through the top or bottom slots, whichever suits your installation. Attach the door control module to the mounting bracket. Plug the power pack into the wall outlet and secure with the provided screw. Affix the warning label adjacent to the door control module or the wall control. The door position sensor will operate at a distance of up to about 75 feet from the door control module. Mount the door position sensor to the steel reinforced end stile on the far left or far right of the door section under the top hinge of the garage door. The sensor must be mounted to the garage door so that it moves when the door opens and closes. Do not mount to an unreinforced door panel. Before attaching the sensor, clean the area where it will be mounted. Install the piece of double-sided tape to the back of the mounting bracket and affix it to the door. Double-sided tape is designed to hold the bracket in place temporarily, not as a permanent mounting option. Warning: for the next step, do not drill the following holes all the way through the garage door. Drill 2 3/32 holes. Use the included self-tapping screws to mount the door position sensor to the top door panel end stile. Slide the door position sensor down onto the mounting bracket until it snaps into place. You may now restore power to your garage door opener. For technical assistance, you can check out our frequently asked questions or contact the OHD Anywhere customer care team via email or by phone at 888-901-2750, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., or Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.